how ADHD I am. Came in here to clean the garage. It's been 3 minutes. And I'm already fixing something. That air compressor is making a slight hissing noise. Better fix that. Jacqui will go, how'd you go cleaning the garage? I say, fix the air compressor, I fixed the motorbike. I learned how to backflip. Oh, that's not quite what I want to do. Let's see. This. Ah, perfect. Nothing leaking out of that. But well, this one fixed. 600 things to go. Cool, all set, back together. 9, 8. Cool, another full set, back together. That's the most that has been back together since I had it. There's always one project going on. All these little things when you're trying to work in the garage. Geez, 35 gigs left, there's not a lot left. It's 20 minutes. Oh, 20 minutes. The battery lasts longer than the cards. That's a first. Yeah. There's another purchase I got. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty sure there's a way to reverse that. I don't know. I've never used one of these properly. But I know it's handy to have. I have a few of them. Some broken, some not. We shall sort that out, but we'll sort that out later. I want this area to be machining only. Remu dust, so fine, so fine. Like fine dust gets right in your lungs, right to the back of your throat. That. grinder dust everywhere. Vice isn't exactly in a good spot. Vice net all the stuff I need to store, and I grind straight into my lathe and into my pulleys. Not that they're already buggered, but you just get grinder dust and all the stuff you don't want. Starting to get collected. We're only missing a few now. These ones broken. We are getting there. We're getting there. That's my chuck for the drill. Put that there. Put that chuck for the head. That hammer. Everything has its place. Everything is out of its place. Glove. Next to its friend. Mud guards. For the townhouse. Oh, we've got 21 gigs left. So we used a quarter of the battery, we used 21 gigs. That's really good. Nearly 40 minutes of full 360 degree footage. Front camera, back camera. So I can go over here, climb over everything, and I'm still in it. You can see me, oh, what's that? Says, sort that out. Another project, don't get distracted. 18 gigs left, and we've used a third of the battery, so we've used 2/3 of the memory card and a third of the battery. That's pretty cool. So you could do this, you could use 4 62 gig cards up before you run out of battery. That's pretty cool, man. And what we got? 40 minutes of, like if it was theoretically on a motorbike, 40 minutes of riding? Yeah. That's really good. Really good. Cool. I offered him $200 off Facebook Marketplace. And he had it listed for $300, which was already a great deal. But unfortunately I didn't have that money. So I offered him $200, and he asked if I could push that to $250, and I said, I'll see if I can, and I couldn't justify it, so unfortunately I said to myself, I'd miss out. But when I told him that I could pay the $250, he said, no, $200 will do then, okay. And I was awesome, so I picked it up after work. And you know, second-hand electronics, you're always kind of a little bit iffy, you know. No reason not to trust them, but no reason to trust them either, I don't know. And so far so good. Really cool. Really, really cool. For $200 New Zealand. Outrageous. I don't know what that was, I'll work that out. $200 New Zealand is this much American, or this much euros, or this much pounds, or this much Australian, or this many Zimbabwe's. And oh, that's good. That's what I'll do. Where'd that go? should probably stay oiled. I mean, there's no way that that's true. There's no way that that is, you know, square and true and perfect and the bearings aren't buggered. I mean, I bought this from a guy in the bin. Going on. 6 gigs left, 61% battery. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, man. Three gigs left. What's that? 52 minutes? That's pretty cool. Nearly an hour. One set of recording. If you watched till the end, you've got nothing better to do. But thank you. And the memory's about to run out, so yeah. Thank you very much. Maybe I'll see you on the next one. This is a very silly video. If you want to see more motorcycle stuff, like and subscribe, or subscribe. If you want to see motorcycle stuff, if you like the video, like it. If you didn't, then I don't really care. And yeah, my name's Jim. I'll see you later.